In this video, we're automating personalized marketing newsletters by curating relevant articles from RSS feeds using AI, then delivering them via email on schedule. Perfect for marketing teams who want timely, curated content without manual effort. Let's head to the template library to find this agent. We'll search for the newsletter curation agent. One click deploys the entire workflow to your workspace. This is the workflow canvas. You're looking at 21 steps that handle everything from fetching RSS feeds to sending personalized emails. We'll walk through the key ones. The AI assistant is here to answer questions about your workflow anytime. Ask about configuration, integrations, or how specific steps work. Curate Marketing Newsletters in India comes with built-in documentation notes covering setup, RSS feeds, AI filtering, and delivery to get you started instantly. This schedule trigger fires automatically every 14-40 minutes. That's once daily. Starting December 27th at 1:18 p.m., kickstarting the newsletter curation workflow on a consistent schedule. This node fetches the latest 20 articles from Campaign India's RSS feed, pulling in current marketing news and industry updates to populate your newsletter curation workflow. This node fetches up to 20 top stories from the Economic Times Brand Equity RSS feed, pulling the latest business and marketing news to populate your newsletter content. This node fetches the latest 20 articles from the Economic Times Business of Brands RSS feed, pulling in fresh marketing and branding content to populate the newsletter. This node pulls up to 20 articles from the Economic Times Digital Marketing RSS feed, providing fresh content sources for your newsletter curation workflow. This node consolidates RSS feed items from 4 separate sources into a single unified array, enabling downstream processing of all curated content together. This node iterates through each article from the previous step, processing up to 100 items individually and collecting all results for the next stage of your newsletter curation workflow. This node uses GPT-4o Mini to evaluate each article's relevance against your curated topic list, returning a strict true or false classification with minimal processing overhead at temperature 0.1. This node evaluates whether incoming content is relevant by checking the Boolean flag from the previous step, routing only relevant items forward while filtering out the rest. This node appends each relevant article to your Google Sheet, automatically capturing the title, link, description, published date, and source so you have a centralized repository of curated content. This node stops the workflow and logs a skip message when an article isn't relevant to marketing, preventing unnecessary processing of non-matching content. This node retrieves all stored articles from your Google Sheet by pulling data across columns A through E, serving as the source dataset for the newsletter curation workflow. This node transforms the curated articles from Google Sheets into formatted HTML email content, generating both a subject line and styled newsletter body ready for delivery. This node evaluates whether articles were found in the previous step by checking if the house article's Boolean is true, then routes the workflow down different paths based on that result. This node sends the curated newsletter to your email address using Gmail, pulling the subject line and HTML formatted body content from the previous processing step. TaskAGI has over 1,000 integrations. You could connect this to Slack for notifications, sync curated articles to Notion, or add custom webhooks for your own tools. That's the complete setup. Try deploying this template and customize it for your team's needs.